back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another part-time, non-phone data entry work-from-home job lead for you. We're going to get right to it. Just know the links to all the pages I share if you want to do your own research on the company, read the reviews, or put that application in are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead comes from the company Cognosante. I hope I am saying that right. They have 356 reviews on Glassdoor. They come in with a 4.0 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a part-time data entry / quality assurance specialist. The quality assurance piece is making sure the data entry is correct. Quality work there. They are hiring remote work from home within the United States. But it says they're looking for a part-time data entry operator to take data from source documents and key it into an electronic format using a key station or PC. So you'll operate numerical and alphabetic. So you'll have to use that number keypad on the side of the keypad. You'll prepare and maintain a program for automatic duplication or skipping operations. You'll interpret the information from a variety of source documents and determine the data that needs to be keyed into the system. You'll classify and code data to be entered, verify and identify and correct any errors. You're going to track the documents received and completion dates in an online log. You'll be providing, receiving, and seeking feedback in a positive manner from your team to encourage team building. You'll be reviewing and fact-checking the documentation for accuracy and compliance, and you'll conduct the quality assurance audits of work assigned by leadership, making sure that it was keyed in correctly and there are no errors, correcting any errors where needed. Now, this position does not require any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED. You do have to have a safe and secluded home office space that's free from normal household distractions. They want a place where you can work in quiet, someone who can type at least 35 words per minute with an 85% accuracy rate, and of course they're looking for someone who can work those Microsoft Office systems, including Word, Excel, Outlook, and PowerPoint. Now, there are no benefits associated with this position because it is part-time, but the pay is going to be dependent on experience and location, but pays anywhere from $16.20 an hour all the way up to $20 an hour. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. If you have any suggestions on how I can make these job leads or this channel more helpful to you, please leave them down below as well. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.